Yo, the studio is finally done. So excited. Let me show you guys what I got going on. Alright, so we're switching over to vlog style because I really want to show you guys what all I got going on, alright? First things first, let me show you where the magic is going to happen. The YouTube corner. I'll be sitting there. I literally just finished filming a video about this little stand. As you guys can see, I got camera, audio, lighting all on one stand. Check out that video if you want to know how I did it and how affordable it was. It was ridiculous affordable for me. Got a little light, just give me some color. Got my little organizer, not too organized. Got a couple guitars. That poster is right there because I wanted to be part of my background for when I'm zooming or doing anything online. Got some more light because I don't want to turn on the lights in here. Black curtain so I could still film, look good during the day. Just a corner. Got a degree so that you guys could see that I'm smart and I know what I'm talking about. I got some old film. I'll talk about that one day, how I got it. Got a little light right there. That is the Ancestral C2. Got a video on the channel. Got my bags. That is my camera bag. Bag Smart. That is just my travel bag. And here is my desk. That's set up. And this is what I'm looking at when I'm editing, working, or when I'm on Zoom. Let me put this thing on that table stand so I can show you guys what the zoom angle would look like, okay? So, if I'm on Zoom, this is what it's gonna look like. I've got the Sony ZV-1 Ulanzi wide angle lens. Got the Rode wireless go. Want some wireless audio. I got a Ulanzi light up here lighting me up so I don't have to put another stand in here because I'm trying to keep the studio space as compact as I can. I got the Falcon F38 quick release system so I could just take the camera on and off the stand. This is what it looks like. I know Sony just released a new firmware update for the ZV-1. Unfortunately, I'm running Big Sur, so I use a capture card. I use this guy right here. Literally the best $19 I ever spent. Audio, video, I run it for hours a day. Does not overheat, has not stopped working on me, okay? So if you're looking for a capture card, if you're running Big Sur and you still want to use the ZV-1 to live stream, all I do, I set up the capture card using this capture card. I set up a USB coming out of the same computer to keep the camera powered on. And I'm on Zoom all day for 6 hours. I replace a battery maybe once every 2 days. So go figure. That's the setup I'm gonna stick with until they fix the Big Sur issue, right? But anyways, I want to show you guys a quick tour of the office, and I also want to show you guys the different camera angles I got. That wall in the corner where I got the stand, I wanted to put everything on the stand so that I can keep everything compact. This isn't the biggest room. The room is 12 by 10. Definitely a lot bigger than what I've had for sure. But it's not the biggest room, so I wanted to keep everything very compact in the corner. I wanted to have the stand to be able to move wherever I want to film. Maybe one day I want to film over there. You saw that I got that little ottoman. I could sit there. I film in the corner to kind of capture most of the room, so it doesn't feel like I'm in such a small space. But maybe one day I want to turn the camera around and I want to film with the backdrop being the brick wall, or maybe I want to film, put the camera right here or over here, whatever I want to do. That's why I put everything on one stand. Watch my video so you guys can see just how easy and affordable it is. Also, I got the idea from Sydney Young. I don't know how to say his name, but he did a video where he did 2 thumbnail walls, and I kind of was already working on that even before he posted the video. But then when he posted the video, I got really excited because then I was like, oh cool, I'm not the only crazy one or the only one that thinks that that's like very necessary. So I want all my thumbnails from here on out to look pretty similar. So I left that brick wall blank just so that I can put maybe like a little table, and if I want to take a picture of something like, I don't know, I mean, this is the thing I was walking around with vlogging, the Ulanzi MT11 or something like that. It's in the description. If I want to take a picture of it, I could just put it up against the brick wall, and then basically if it's not white, it's gonna look really, really cool up against that brick white wall. And then also, I got this wall over here behind the corner, behind the curtain. It's like a light gray, turned a little bit more purple than I wanted it to, but it still works. It still works. I got that wall as well to change things up. And then obviously I've got that wall, the brick corner where they meet. I could set up the camera right in the corner, film me in the room, all this being my backdrop, or I can turn things around, maybe set the camera over here, and if I want the brick wall to be my backdrop, I'll set that up as well. Okay, so I'm gonna be able to get a bunch of looks out of this room. Not the biggest room, not a bunch of stuff going on, but I'm excited because I'm gonna be able to get a bunch of looks and keep the videos coming fresh, make the thumbnails all look consistent. So again, if you guys have any kind of questions about the gear I'm using, why I wanted to do it, or how I did it, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to answer your questions. All right, until then, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, keep filming, keep growing in knowledge. All right, peace.